Luxury cars are all about being comfortable when cruising down the road. Also, looking like a baller, getting attention when you pull up to an event. So today, I'll be giving out a list of 5 cars at 3 million naira mark to get people thinking you've got it all. Without further ado, let's jump right into this video. Number 1 on our list is the Acura TL. The Acura TL is a luxury sedan from Honda's luxury division. The redesigned Acura TL is much bigger than the model it replaced, giving it a lot of road presence. It is quicker and easier to maneuver at slow speed. Underneath the Acura TL is a 3.5-liter V6 producing a whopping 280 horsepower, driving all wheels by a 5-speed shiftable automatic transmission. This car comes with standard features such as Bluetooth, navigation, keyless ignition, heated seats, and premium leather material. The Acura TL has a user-friendly interface with high-tech features, spacious cabin, and available sound surround stereo system, which I personally think is one of the best in its class. The interior is made up of high-quality material and as well lead center console to give it a luxury feel. Number 2 on our list is the Infiniti FX35. If you are willing to sacrifice a little practicality for a sports car like handling and an all-weather capability, the Infiniti FX35 ticks all boxes. The FX35 is designed to perform as a luxury but yet sport-oriented car. With its sloping roof design, a raised rear deck lid, and 18 inches wheel gives it a more aggressive stance than most crossover SUV. Inside you find a spacious 5-passenger interior furnished with leather and polished aluminium accents and a central LCD screen that is a very good bargain at this price. It comes with standard equipment such as the dual zone climate control, automatic headlamps, DVD navigation, a 300-watt Bose sound system, and an intelligent keyless entry. Under the hood breathes a 3.5-liter V6 engine, producing 280 horsepower, driving all 4 wheels or the rear wheels by a 5-speed automatic transmission. This car will certainly stand out when you pull up in a club. The FX35 has a nice sounding engine. Listen to this. But beware, before buying this car, make sure an history of religious maintenance has been carried out before purchasing this car. Number 3 on our list is the BMW 5 Series. The 5 Series is one of the most satisfying mid-size luxury sedans with an ultra-refined engine. The 5 Series boasts of an engine displacement of a 4.4-liter V8 and a 3.0-liter inline-6, producing 255 horsepower, mated to a 6-speed automatic transmission. It comes as a rear-wheel drive and also an all-wheel drive. The BMW comes with standard features such as rain-sensing windshield wiper, heated mirrors, DVD navigation system, voice command, iDrive management system, as well as premium-grade Harman Kardon Logic 7 sound system with an optional adaptive bi-xenon headlamps. Trust me, if you take proper care of this bad boy, you're going to love it for life. Number 4 is the Lexus GS. You want a more reliable car? Yes, the Lexus GS with a 4.3-liter V8 engine producing a mega 300 horsepower, mated to a 6-speed shiftable automatic transmission, sending power to the rear wheels only. The Lexus GS is a comfortable, competent handling and a smooth V8. It has a sporty and a luxury look to its exterior design. The Lexus GS has a roomy cabin that provides the driver and front passenger lots of legroom and headroom to stretch out. The cabin is outfitted with rich wood trim and a light sensitive gauge housed in a chrome ring cord. Material quality is excellent and everything is assembled with precision. The Lexus GS comes in standard features such as a power tilt and telescopic steering wheel, an auto-dimming rear view mirror, rear view camera parking assist, heated and ventilated front seat, navigation system, and an impressive sound Mark Levinson audio system. Number 5 on our list is the Mercedes-Benz EClass. Yes, with 3 million naira you can get yourself a Mercedes-Benz EClass. For more than 20 years, Mercedes-Benz EClass has been one of the most successful and popular mid-size luxury sedan. The Mercedes-Benz E350 and E55 are the most popular choices. They provide ample power, elegant design interior, and a smooth suspension. The E350 has a 3.5-liter V6 producing 268 horsepower, sending power to the rear wheels by a 7-speed shiftable automatic transmission. The 5-passenger E-Class sedan provides an airy two-tone cabin, complemented by elegant wood inlay, chrome accent, gathered section of leather on the door panels, and an attractive analog instrumentation cluster. Standard features include dual-zone automatic climate control, power tilt telescopic steering column, Harman Kardon surround sound system, 18 inches alloy rim, dual chrome tailpipes, and many more. The 4MATIC model of the Mercedes-Benz E350 features a 5-speed automatic transmission. So there you have it. Here are the list of the luxury cars you can get for 3 million naira right now in 2022. Let me know which one you would rather have in the comment section down below. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell to get alerted when we make a new upload. I'll see you in my next video.